Sydney, I'll open the window in a minute, okay? It's cold right now. It's too cold out there. It's cold. It's very cold outside. It's too early. It's too early in the morning. I'll open the window in a few minutes, okay? He wants me to open the window right now. Okay.